everyone, my name is Lindsey, and yes, welcome to my videos. So here, this is my name here, and also this is called Lindsey's Math Video. And here, I will tell you why do I want to make those videos. I want to make videos because I want other kids to know. Like I want to share it to them. Share the things I know to others and show them how to solve problems even in a better way. Like you don't have to just solve it in the very hard way, probably. So actually, you can try solving your problems in a better way, and you can find your way to solve it. And also, sometimes you don't have to use your teacher's way to solve a problem. You can find your own way. For example, I found my own way. And now, we are going to see if we can find our way. And sometimes I've learned that from someone. That's someone else's way of doing it. But actually, it's a very cool way of solving multiplication. So let's start into a pretty hard problems. Even for second graders, it's very hard. And yes, in my video, the age range is about 7 to 9. Like about, 6 to 8. About first to second graders. But also, and this actually involves multiplication. I'm not sure if the first graders can handle it, but I know a lot of them will understand what multiplication is, because I've already told you what is multiplication. So now we can start. The problem is, what is 54 times 69 equals, alright. So here, what is the answer? We don't know. So what should we do? And some people look at it and say, what? What's happening with this? Because this is something a bit scary. Because some second graders only do problems like 6 times 9. So let's start with this problem. And actually, you should not worry, because there is a way of solving very hard multiplication. As long as you can know it, you are going to solve it. So here, and this is a way. So first, when do we use multiplication? Well, for example, when I'm buying packs, for example, this 1 pack of crayons here. I'm buying these packs. And actually, for example, in here, this grabs 3 apples, and this does not grab apples for real, but just to pretend. And there are 3 of these. I bought 3 of these. How many apples did I brought? Well, that is multiplication. But another kind of multiplication is, and this is the most important one, is when you're solving area of rectangle, any rectangle. We can solve an area of a rectangle of the width of 54 and the length of 69. That'll leave us with the answer. So here we go, and we should start now. Now, I'm going to draw, and this is not drawn to scale, never drawn to scale. Alright, oh my gosh, so let's put this down a little bit, like this here. And now, let's find the way of solving this. So first, what is 54? 54 is 50 plus 4, right? So here, 54 equals to 50 plus 4. And the same with 69. 69 equals to 60 plus 9. Ooh, interesting. And let's go back to this place. So let's see what we can find out. So let's start. Well, we can use 54 as 50 plus 4. So 50 and then here's 4. Those angles doesn't have to be right angles, even though rectangle has it. But I'm just drawing anyway. And I'm using one kind of drawing tool. And here, we have 69 too. So here's 69. Let's start with this point here. Alright, perfect. So 54 times 69. Whoa, this is actually good. So why? Because let's see. And yes, the job of multiplication is to find the area, or in other words, this whole thing. If I color this whole thing, how much would I use? How much units square? So let's get ready. And here's my pen, and I'm going to start. So let's see, 50 times 60. Well, people think, what? Well, actually, you can do it with 5 times 6 is 30. Let's write that down. And the reason I wrote a comment, there's a reason. And then we put the 2 zeros behind. Alright, this whole thing is 3,000. And now, let's do the next part. What's 50 times 9? Well then, the first thing that pops out of my mind is 5 times 9, which is actually 45. Wait, no, the question wasn't this. This was 56 times 69. So this will be 6. And still 50 times 9 is 450, this whole thing. And then 6 times 60. What's 6 times 60? Well, 6 times 60 is 336. And add the 0. Alright, next is the easiest. 6 times 9. And what 6 times 9 is, it's 54. Alright, we've done it. And we're doing very good on it. So 54. I'll write that down. And now we have all the areas. Maybe we should add them together now. So let's start by adding them together. So here, when we add, let's do 3,000 here. And add 450, add 360, add 54. And here are our 4 parts. Alright, and this will drive us way easier than usual. So let's start. And let's do this. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0 always. And plus 4, that's 4. And then 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. Put the 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. And put the 3 down. 3,864. And that's the answer. Oh yes, this is right. And yes, I'm very happy to do this with you, because you've learned a new way to solve multiplication. And you've learned something, and I will love it. And I wish you the best. And thanks for coming to see me. And you can watch me on other videos too, on my next topic. And now, thanks for coming. Thanks for coming.